Then back up.
Put it back in
Then
park.
back up.
Put the car back in
Then
park.
back up. Excuse yourself.
On the night of February 21st, 2026, a High Springs police officer arrived to check on a red pickup truck stopped in the roadway in Alachua, Florida.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
What's going on? Huh?
Yeah.
Step out and talk to me.
532, 1014.
Alright, good.
10-4.
Yeah, I'm Officer Davis from the police department. I want you to step out and talk to me. Come on. Yeah, just step on out. So, are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Go yourself. Just honestly. You want to go that route?
What route?
You want to go this route? Watch this route.
What route am I going?
You want to tell me I smell marijuana?
No.
Hey,
I
go
corrected-
yourself.
I corrected myself.
Go yourself.
Why are
And
you so
I hope
angry?
you got your camera on.
Oh, it's on. It's definitely
good.
on. Why are you so
Please.
angry?
Please.
Why are you so
Please,
angry?
and thank you. Because you just don't.
Hey, do not. Hey. Do not put this car in park. I mean, in drive. Do not put the car in drive, buddy.
Then back up.
Put it back in
Then
park.
back up.
Put the car back in
Then
park.
back up.
Put the
Then
car back in
back
park.
up.
Put the car
Back
back in park.
Up.
Sir, this is not an act. This is an order. Put the car back in park.
You have no orders against me. Excuse yourself.
Sir, do not. Thirty-seven driver took off.
Use the channel 1033, Tango 37 on the 50 outside Main Street.
Sierra 9 is APD aware.
Yeah, we're about to pass them.
Stop the car! Stop the car!
Tango channel 1 and APD are now passed.
Stop the car!
Kilo 33 to the High Springs Unit.
Stop the car! Listen, I don't want to draw my weapon on you. Stop the car!
He's at the end of 154th.
Stop the car!
End of the road.
I got the driveway blocked for my vehicle, but it looks like you want to try to hit it. Listen, stop the car. Get out.
Go to the Legacy Park Center. That's probably
Stop the car, get out. All right, my supervisor is on the way. You got to stop the car. All right? My supervisor is on the way. Stop the car. All right? My supervisor is on the way.
APD limit 24 to Kilo 38. Where do you need a backstop? Legacy? Yeah, based off this flight path, you would put them right there at Legacy. The western perimeter will be I-75.
Shut the car off and get out. All right, he's being verbally non-compliant, doesn't want to get out, vehicle still in motion. Get out of the car, shut it off. Hey, come to me, Moses, all the way at the end of Colonial Heights. He's in the vehicle, he's fixing to take off again. It looks signal 1, so if he takes off, we're gonna have to go 31. All right, I want to try to get around him, behind him before he notices somebody taking him to the front. I'm going to take him to the rear. All right, you can signal 40 to my vehicle. We got him pinned though. Get out the car.
Oh, yeah, medical issues.
Maybe you live with 20. We're sending out a supervisor notification.
Door.
Don't want to change.
What is it?
Micah Ellsworth, 48, was removed from the vehicle and taken into custody. He was charged with fleeing and eluding police with lights and sirens active, resisting an officer without violence, and driving while license suspended. Second offense. Bail was set at $60,000. Ellsworth carried a prior record including 3 felony convictions and multiple misdemeanors across 2 counties. The current case remains active,